MCC agreement tabled by previous government. It's called Millennium Challenge Cooperation. Under this agreement, American government decided to give 480 million USD. Already they spent over 100 million for the drafting and other matters, official matters. According to that agreement, they acquire the land of Sri Lanka without any concessions of the other related agencies, especially environmental authority, and also overcome the parliament proceedings. That is why Sri Lankan people, especially at that moment, Mahinda Rajapaksa and other parliament members were opposition. They highly criticized this MCC agreement, especially under the presidential election, including me. There are so many members, they highly criticize MCC agreement. Lot of voters voted to Gotabaya Rajapaksa because of harmful of this MCC agreement. Sajith Premadasa couldn't explain that what he is going to do after the coming president. Many scholars, Buddhist monks, Catholic priest and Christian priest highly criticized this MCC agreement. It is challenge our sovereignty, our independent integrity of Sri Lanka. However, now having some controversial tendering proceedings conducted by the American embassy, there are few questions. Number one, American embassy didn't mind. I asked one question from American embassy. American embassy, before proclamation, consulting, advertisement, whether they asked the government or not. Second one, Sri Lankan government get the awareness on that tender proceedings. If it is happened by individually American embassy, it is challenge to the Sri Lankan government and Sri Lankan sovereignty. If Sri Lankan government has done it jointly, it is violation of presidential convention. I asked from the president, do you have any awareness on that matter which conducted by American embassy? Please let me know immediately. We created huge voice against the MCC agreement on your stage at the presidential campaign. MCC agreement criticized by many ways, especially environmental groups. They criticize many ways, and also Sri Lankan government, some agencies, some government, even some government officers also criticize that agreement. It is challenge to the Sri Lankan sovereignty. Thank you very much for your kind attention.